So remember when I said I would bring you back for the adventures here in the real world environment in the Twilight Zone in this center? And I said I wanted to say bullshit, but then I just said
I'll bring you along on the adventure.
On the adventure. So here's the adventure. This customer gave us approval last night to replace the valve cover gaskets and start to evaluate the oil leaks. It is now 8:17 and told us don't do anything until he shows up here. Well, your car is already apart, dude. We already started working on this last night. And your car can't sit on my lift for free while I wait for you to come talk to me.
Yeah, the coil pack strip on the passenger side is unbolted and unplugged. And this valve cover was entirely off when he called.
So, like, what do I do? He's already complained about oil leaking in his driveway, right? So then, if we just throw it back together, how much worse of an oil leak is he going to have? How much more bullshit and nonsense are we going to have to deal with?
We're already on this side.
Pumping oil out of the car.
This side you may as well just approve it. If you don't the other side, then that's on him.
I just said, well, I can give you your car back like this, or you can pay me $150 to put it back together, and you can just go about your life. It's just nothing but nonsense and bullshit sometimes. It is never smooth sailing. Never. Like, we did you a favor. We went over to the parking lot, didn't charge you for emergency roadside assistance, got the car started, got it over here, got the starter in it, and then just moved along with your request. Like, hey, your tires are shot. I don't want to do tires. Hey, the cooling system's leaking coolant. I don't want to do that. But can you see why it's leaking oil? Okay, go ahead, do that. We're going to start with the valve covers. And then this morning, like, play a fucking game. Who's got time for this shit? I've said this before. I'd rather sit here and do nothing than deal with the bullshit. So thank God we have another car to look at, or two cars to look at. But and you want to be a mechanic.